We're going to be going over the real breakout. So what to look for? Price breaks above resistance with strong momentum. So usually the price is going to be going back and forth with consolidation. And then eventually the price will break the resistance. Now, a lot of people like to just jump in as soon as the price breaks resistance. That's not the thing to do. This is why people get faked out so easily. Second thing is pulls back to retest the broken level. So it might become the new support. So once it comes back, okay, we want to see somewhat of a bullish rejection. Now, most cases when I see this is when I start kind of setting up and maybe being like, okay, you know what? I might do a little something. What usually happens is pushes up, holds the level and continues up. Okay, so it holds that level right there and then it pushes up or it continues to go up. It forms higher highs and higher lows. But now this is when I'm like, okay, cool. It's a continuation going up. Now we have a trend continuation to the upside. So this is what they mean by buy lows and sell highs. Now this is how you can avoid a lot of fake outs. And this is when the breakout is actually a continuation in the right direction that you think is going to be in. But you got to wait for the price to come back to retest. The issue we have every time is as soon as a break, people jump right in. Don't even know if it's a continuation or not, but you just jump right in. And then you wonder why you're getting faked out. You don't have no patience. That's all it is. It's patience, baby. Now, hopefully you guys, y'all are learning some stuff here. And if you have not liked the video just yet, please go ahead and just press that button. Won't even hurt you. Just click. And then if you want to subscribe to the channel, I promise you I'm going to be putting out some more materials. It's going to be good stuff. Y'all probably want to follow. And I guarantee you, man, you'll never regret it. And if you do regret it, I'm sorry. I failed you. But anyway, let's get back to the lessons and blessings. All right. You see what we have here. Y'all see that? Looks beautiful, right? So when the market is doing this here, this is all the way consolidation. Okay. Now, this is where people get chopped at every time just because they don't have no patience. You got to have patience when it comes down to this beautiful, and I mean beautiful, consolidation. I sit on my hands on consolidation. So as we can see right here, we have a touching point here. We have a touching point here. Then we have, it came down a little bit, touched here, went down, touched here. So this is obviously consolidation. It's just going back and forth. Now, all I'm doing is waiting for a breakout on either side. I don't care which side it goes. You can't be committed to just one side. I don't care what side it goes. So here we go. Right here, we had a nice break up. Now, this is where people usually get chopped at because they're trying to buy way up here. They're trying to buy here. They're trying to buy the price high. So what you're supposed to do, you're supposed to what? Buy low and sell high. But we don't even know if this is a fake out or if this is a real breakout. Now, what we just talked about earlier, we want to see the price come back down into this zone somewhere. And if it don't come back to the zone, that's okay. As we go forward here. All right, so here, we got a nice push up. Price came back down to this zone. So y'all see that? We got a nice push up. Price came back down to this zone. I did see a little bit of bulls trying to step in here. They're like, okay, cool, we're gonna try to push it up. But that's not good enough confirmation for me because it look like the bears is trying to take over on this particular trade. These are things you got to watch out for. Look out for it every time. This start looking kind of good to me just because, all right, we have the bulls stepping in and it looks pretty strong that the bulls is trying to come in here. And the reason why I'm saying it this way is because, yes, we had a breakout to the upside. So we had a nice push to the upside. And then let's keep going here. So now we have the bulls stepping back in, which will be the buyers. My entry will be somewhere around here, but I'm not going to get too much into the entry because we're talking about how breakouts work. But this will be me all day. Booyah. Like I'm already in here and I want to go to the next higher high because we got a breakout. Then we got the bulls coming in. They're stepping in. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful rise. Look at that. See that? See how that price just shot up? That right there is called a real breakout, not a fake out, but it's steps you have to take when it comes down to finding these breakouts and these fake outs. All right.